Beautiful morning out here in Wenatchee National Forest. Fall colors. Got blue sky and sunshine today. Had to get a fire going. It's about 32 degrees. It's supposed to warm up today. I don't know where we're at. It's probably going to get about 60, maybe 65. In town they're saying around 70 for mid-October. That, well, yeah, almost mid-October. That's pretty good. Next week they're saying a lot of rain though, and cooler temps, so had to get out. Boots on the ground again. We're in a new spot. Checking it out, and yeah, do some metal detecting, do some sluicing. We got the dream mats, we got the 10 by 42, we got the 8 by or the 6 by 24 Prospector's Dreams, ready to go. Get them in the creek, actually the river. We're on a decent sized river today, as you can see out here. Beautiful day today. Yep. Got a nice bend in the river up there. So yeah. Sun's coming out. Fritters and coffee. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful day. Plenty of down wood. Sun's coming over the crest. Little hornet trap there. Thing's full. But yeah, we're checking it out. Like wham! Look at that. Nice, peaceful, quiet spot. Oh, that looks nice. So yeah, we'll give it a go. Oh, here comes the sun. Nice. So we're thinking about setting up over here on this end over here. Actually right about here. Someone like built a makeshift little dam and made the current a little stronger there, so that'd be a good spot for the sluices. But yeah, beautiful spot. Some nice campgrounds through here. Pretty cool. Sun's coming up. That looks pretty cool. Pretty cool looking flower. All right, everybody. So yeah, stay tuned. Do some digging. Do some classifying. Get everything set up and bring you guys back. See what we find. So all right, y'all stay tuned. Be right back.